I'm starting to fit the intercooler brace on, and it fits in both holes on one side, but it does not fit evenly on the other side. So again, fitment issues are there, but I'm just gonna grind out this section right here to make some room. Again, fitment issues were expected, but I feel like this was kind of simple. All right. Got one straight one and one bent one. Fucking weird, man. The kit comes with two lower supporting braces, but one of them only came bent, contoured. So I'm gonna bend the other one to kind of match it. All I did was just mark where it should have been bent. I'm gonna put it in here and seems pretty close. All right, pretty ghetto, but CX Racing. I've also noticed that in their installation guide, it says you're supposed to use the pre-existing holes to mount these brackets. So here's the hole you match up to the intercooler. Now, what pre-existing hole? These are just holes in the radiator core support. The radiator's under there, so I don't want to drill too far. There's no pre-existing hole, so I'm probably just going to tap in right over here, use a small little screw, and then same thing on the other side. Do I even need a horn? I'm going to bend this back a little bit. Alright, I need to clock the turbo a bit. The angle is hitting the trans mount stud, so I'm going to angle the turbo up a little bit. I'm gonna try and just Dremel this piece right here. I'm gonna try and cut it off, see what happens.
Perfect.